Хочешь увидеть Лионеля Месси или Криштиану Роналду вживую и насладиться красотами Катара? Тогда участвуй в новой мега-акции от Формула 55. Формула 55 разыгрывает 3 путевки на матч чемпионата мира 2022 в Катаре. Розыгрыш проходит с 1 октября по 9 ноября 2022 года. Только на сайте formula55.tj. Участником акции может стать каждый. Подробную информацию об акции можно узнать на сайте formula55.tj или по короткому номеру 5500. Катар ждет тебя.
Устопириён next out in white. Fatiev of Ozorbойджон, his opponent. Round 2 then, under 90 kilograms. We'll have to do it fairly early on, Ustopiриёn, because he's going to get trying for the categoruma just for going out. Tends to run out of steam a little bit, Ustopiриёn, so you need to do it earlier here rather than later. Just looking at all the tape around the wrist and the fingers of Ustopiриёn there. Literally to hold the knuckles together, I think. Fatiев trying for the categoruma. Just looking at all the tape around the wrist and the fingers of Ustopiриёn there. Literally to hold the knuckles together, I think. It's going to be a Ҷудо, second Ҷудо up for Ustopириёn. Just dropping without any kumikata whatsoever. So gets the second one up there, one more mistake and that will be all over. The more this contest goes into the second half, to the latter part, should I say, then the bigger the advantage here for Fatiev. Going to be a Ҷудо, second Ҷудо up for the Ustopириёn. Can't take him backwards without any. You wrap around the leg like that, you can't take him backwards. So, you can change the direction. Second one up there, one more mistake, and that will be all over. Back. The more this contest goes into the second half, to the latter part, should I say, then bigger the advantage here for Fatiev. Looking for the Uchimata. Can't take him backwards. You wrap around the leg like that, you can't take him backwards. You can change the direction, but you can't just throw your head back. Not far off with that one there. Ҷудо's ball, Ustopириёn. Oh, caught him now. Caught him for the nice was Ari there. Just 16 seconds left. What a time to do it. Fatiev Catches him on the rebound. Now just needs to waste and burn those seconds there, which he does. No problems there. 3 seconds left. He's a prime example of attacked, didn't he? Ustopiриён attacked and was off balance. No hands, and that's what's let him down. Far off with that one a couple of times, and just gets Kosoto Taniotosh onto his side.
Right, let's go up to mat number 1 because we're going to see the first of the quarterfinals in the plus 100 kilo category. The number 1 seed, Temur Rakimov of Tajikistan.
Caught him now. What in for the nice was Ari there. Just 16 seconds left. What a time to do it. Fatiev.
Rakimov
catches
in
him
the
on
white
the rebound.
Ilinashvili in blue, and it's the Tajik
Now just needs
fighter
to
who
waste
leads
and
by
burn those seconds there, which he
with
does.
2 minutes 40
No
left on the
problems
clock.
there.
He's picked
3
up a
seconds
single.
left.
Shido. There's Neil.
Attacked, didn't he? Ustopириён attacked and was off balance. No hands. To the nitty-gritty now. That's what's let him down a couple of times and just get all out there. The Kosoto fighters are getting warmed up and the crowd is to his side.
Right, let's go up to mat number 1 because we're going to see the first of the quarterfinals in the plus 100.
Видеть Лионеля Месси или Криштиану Роналду вживую и насладиться красотами Катара? Тогда участвуй в новой мега-акции от Формула 55. Формула 55 разыгрывает 3 путевки на матч чемпионата мира 2022 в Катаре. Розыгрыш проходит с 1 октября по 9 ноября 2022 года. Только на сайте formula55.tj. Участником акции может стать каждый. Подробную информацию об акции можно узнать на сайте formula55.tj или по короткому номеру 5500. Катар ждет тебя.